Hi guys, my name is Ferdy and I'm here to bring you some good news. And that good news is that all-in-one WP migration is back. What do I mean by that? Well, my favorite migration plugin to copy a complete website with database to a different website was all-in-one WP migration. But what happened, they did a new update where you could only migrate a website that was a maximum of 12 megabytes. Well, that's almost impossible. What happened, I used this in quite a few tutorials and people started complaining, hey Ferdy, what you say about migrating this website is not working. So I was not amused by them doing this update. So I started to work with WP Vivid, which is free, which is amazing. But what I like about all-in-one WP migration is that it is so easy to do. But they made a new update. They chose the middle way. Now you can migrate a website with a maximum of 128 megabytes as far as I know. So a lot of tutorials I had with WP migration. So a lot of tutorials I had did not work anymore. So let me show you how it works. You have a website over here, which is beautiful. And by the way, I also give websites for free. So if you go to ferdykorp.com, by the way, this website will also be for free for you. Soon go to resources, scroll down. And here you can get a free Ocean WP website, free Sydney Elementor website, free Elementor 2018. You can download it over here and then you get that all-in-one WP migration file. And now you can use it again. So let me show you. I have this website over here and I go to the backend to plugins and I click on add new. Now I search for all-in-one WP. And that should be enough. It will pop up over here. I click on install now. You see it's a recent update 5 days ago. And now I click on activate. And now I want to duplicate or export this complete website to my computer. How do I do that? I scroll down over here at the left. I go to all-in-one WP migration. And by the way, if I go too fast, can you tell me? Because when I get excited, I start to talk faster. And maybe I should slow down a bit. Have some fun. Click over here. Click on file. Wait a minute. So let me know if I go too quick because I want to give you the best tutorials possible. So this website is 102 megabyte, which is amazing because then we can test if it's still working because it's bigger than 12 megabyte. It's downloading now. I go to my new website. It looks like this with the 2020 theme. I go to the backend, to plugins, add new. Then I go to all-in-one WP. And also here I import or install this plugin. Then I activate it. And here at the left, you'll see all-in-one WP migration. I click on import, import from file. I go to downloads and here it is, Elementor City, the year, the month, the day, the time. And I click on open. I'm fast forwarding this, so it's not going really that quickly. So there it is. So now I need to click on proceed. I can close this. Then I click on save permalink structure. It opens in a new window. I probably need to log in with the same login details as your website that you're exporting. I click on login and here at post name, I check it and I save it twice. And if you're really in a good mood, you can save it even a third time. And now here at Estra.Ferdy Korpershoek, it was just an empty website and now it is this awesome website. And when I go to the about page, we go to the about page here at estra.ferdykorpershoek.com/about. And if I go to the original website and I go to the website to about, you will see it is exactly the same. So that's what you can do. Thank you all-in-one WP migration for being back in the game. Now we have two amazing plugins. And the WP Vivid plugin can even do pre-scheduled backups. You can watch the tutorial over here or you go to YouTube. And of course, first you search for Ferdy. Otherwise you can get a video from my competitor and that's the last thing I want. Sorry. Ferdy, WP Vivid. You know what? Let's do something crazy. Oh, that's a bummer. No, just kidding. You can watch this one, or you know what, from Paul. We all teach the same thing, I guess. I teach it in a shorter way. No, you know, watch all those videos and make up your own mind, and have a great day. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.